Welcome to 03 Communications Technical Training Series, where we will show you how you can make changes to your phone system. As you can see here, we are currently on the Phone Systems login page. If you don't have access to this or you don't have an login account, please contact us here at 03 Communications. Once you have logged into the phone system with your login details, you will be able to see the home page. All phone system programming is done under the Programming section, and then System Data. Once you have clicked on System Data, you will be able to see all the different memory blocks listed on the side.
In today's presentation, we will meticulously navigate through the process of updating memory block 1304, specifically designed for configuring speed dial and name settings, as well as implementing number blocking functionalities within the NEC Phone System. To commence, direct your attention to memory block 1304. Upon reaching this section, you will gain access to the speed dialing number and name page. Here, you have the capability to execute two pivotal actions: adding numbers to your address book, ensuring universal accessibility across all handsets, and employing this platform to block undesired phone numbers. Let us first address the procedure for adding numbers to the address book. Begin by entering the desired number, followed by assigning it a name, which will be displayed within the address book interface. Subsequently, click on the Apply button situated in the top right corner to conclude the addition process. This action seamlessly incorporates the specified number into your address book. Now, should you wish to block a number, the process closely mirrors that of adding a number to the address book with a subtle alteration. Initiate by entering the number in the designated column. Under the name field, it is recommended to designate a recognizable label, such as Blocked 1. The critical step in the blocking procedure involves configuring the transfer mode for the specified number. Set it as internal dial and ensure the destination number field remains blank. Upon completion, once again, click the Apply button positioned in the top right corner. This action effectively implements the blocking mechanism, ensuring that any incoming calls from the specified number are abruptly terminated. Finally, upon finalizing all modifications, remember to select the Home button in the top right corner and proceed to log out of the phone system. This prudent practice guarantees the successful implementation of all changes while fortifying the system's security posture, thereby preventing unauthorized access in your absence. This concludes the comprehensive tutorial on configuring speed dial and name settings, as well as blocking numbers within the NEC Phone System.